Today, we need to talk about something that has probably been bothering you for a long time. You study English for months, maybe years. You memorize vocabulary lists. You practice grammar rules. You listen to your textbook audio perfectly. But then, one day, you watch an American movie, or you talk to a native speaker, and you don't understand anything. They're speaking English, yes, but it doesn't sound like your textbook. It's faster, it's messier, it's real. And you think, did I learn the wrong English? No, my friend. You didn't learn the wrong English. You learned textbook English. And today, I'm going to teach you real English. The English that native speakers actually use every single day. We are going to cover 80 phrases that your textbook probably never taught you. These are the contractions, the slang, and the natural expressions that make you sound like you belong. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple secret about when to use these phrases to sound like a true expert. Let's begin. Category 1. The classic contractions. These are the most common shortcuts in spoken English. Native speakers almost never say the full words in casual conversation. Learning these will instantly make your listening better and your speaking more natural. I want to go home. This means I want to go home. In fast speech, want to almost always becomes wanna. It flows much better. I'm gonna be late. This means I am going to be late. Gonna is the universal spoken form of going to when talking about the future. I gotta go now. This means I have to go now or I've got to go now. Gotta expresses necessity or obligation very naturally. Let me help you. This means, let me help you. Lemma is a soft, quick way to offer assistance. Give me a minute. This means, give me a minute. Gimme is very common, but be careful, it can sound a little rude if you don't say it politely. I'm kinda tired. This means, I'm kind of tired. Kinda is used constantly to soften a statement, meaning a little bit. I'm sorta busy. This means I'm sort of busy. It is very similar to kinda and means somewhat. Lots of people here. This means there are lots of people here. Lotsa replaces lots of. I don't know what to do. This means I don't know what to do. Dunno is the ultra-fast way to say don't know. You might even hear people just make a sound like I unknow. Gotcha, thanks. This means I got you or I understand you. It is a very friendly and casual way to show you have understood something. Category 2. Quick question forms. In real conversation, natives shorten questions dramatically. Sometimes they even drop the auxiliary verbs do, did, are completely. Wanna grab lunch? This means, do you want to grab lunch? Native speakers often skip the do you and just start with wanna. Did ya see that? This means, did you see that? The sounds did and you blend together to become did ya. What ya doing? This means, what are you doing? This is extremely common in casual speech. What are you becomes whatcha. Where'd you go? This means, Where did you go? The word did is reduced to just a dud sound attached to the question word. How'd you know? This means how did you know? Again, did becomes a simple dud. What are you talking about? This means what are you talking about? You is often pronounced as ya in fast speech. Could ya help me? This means could you help me? The D and E sounds blend to make a J sound, could ya. Would you like some coffee? This means would you like some coffee? Just like could ya. Would you becomes would ya. I shoulda known. This means I should have known. Should have reduces to shoulda. I woulda helped. This means I would have helped. Would have reduces to woulda. Category 3, everyday expressions. These are phrases natives use constantly to manage daily life. They are short, functional, and very common. Yeah, I'm ready. In casual conversation, we almost always say, yeah, instead of yes. Beats me. This is a great idiom that means I have absolutely no idea. It's very casual. Hang on. This means wait a moment. It's much more natural than saying please wait. Got it, thanks. We use got it to confirm that we have understood instructions or information. No worries. This means it's okay or you're welcome. It is a very friendly, low-pressure way to respond to thank you or sorry. I'm outta here. This means I'm leaving now. Outta is the reduction of out of. It's a slangy way to announce your departure. Piece of cake. This idiom means it is very easy. Use this when you want to say a task is simple. I'm beat. This means I'm exhausted. It's a very descriptive word for being physically tired. Exactly. This one word is a perfect way to show strong agreement with what someone just said. I'll hit you up later. This is slang for I will contact you, text or call. It's very common among younger speakers. Category 4, filler words and natural speech. Native speakers use filler words constantly to give themselves time to think or to soften their statements. Using these will make you sound much more fluent. It's like really cold. We use like to pause or to emphasize a description. It doesn't really mean anything here, but it's very common. You know what I mean? We use this constantly to check if the listener is following us or agreeing with us. I mean, it's okay. We use I mean to clarify, explain, or correct what we just said. Actually, I'm free. Actually is used to correct a misconception or to give surprising information. It means, in fact. Basically, yes. We use basically to signal that we are summarizing or simplifying a complex situation. I literally just arrived. Literally is used to add strong emphasis to a statement, meaning, it is exactly true. Honestly, I don't know. Honestly adds sincerity and emphasis to your statement. Seriously? We use this to express surprise, shock, or to ask if someone is telling the truth. Anyway, that's it. Anyway is the perfect word to change the topic or to signal that you are finishing a story. Whatever you want. This shows that you are flexible and don't have a strong preference. Category 5. Reaction words. When natives react to news or stories, we use specific words. Using these makes you a better listener. No way. This expresses strong disbelief or surprise. It can be positive, good news, or negative bad news. For real? This is a slangy way to ask, is that true? Or are you serious? Oh my God. This is the most common expression of shock, surprise, or excitement. Holy cow. This is a funny, family-friendly version of, oh my God. Yikes. We say, yikes, when we hear something bad, awkward, or embarrassing. It shows empathy for a difficult situation. Oops. This is what you say when you make a small, accidental mistake, like dropping a pen. Ugh. Seriously? This expresses annoyance or frustration. Aw, man. This expresses disappointment when something goes wrong. Dang it. This is a soft expression of frustration, similar to, aw man. Awesome. The classic American response to good news. It means, that's great. Category 6. Time expressions. Natives have special, imprecise ways of talking about time. Back in a bit. A bit means a short amount of time. This means I'll return soon. I need it. As soon as possible. As soon as possible stands for as soon as possible. It conveys urgency. I saw him the other day. The other day is a vague phrase that means a few days ago, recently. Done in a jiffy. A jiffy means a very, very short time. It's a fun, old-fashioned word. I've been waiting forever. This is an exaggeration. It just means I have been waiting for a very long time. It happened in a flash. In a flash means extremely quickly, like a flash of lightning. I worked all day long. Adding long emphasizes the duration and difficulty of the day. Back in the day, things were different. Back in the day is a nostalgic phrase used to talk about the past, often when I was younger. It was a last-minute change. Last minute means at the very final moment before a deadline or event. I exercise once in a while. Once in a while means occasionally or sometimes not regularly. Category 7. Agreement and disagreement. Here is how to say yes and no with more nuance. Absolutely, I agree. This is stronger than just I agree. It means you agree 100%. Sure thing, no problem. A very casual and friendly way to agree to a request. You know it. This is an enthusiastic way to say, yes, definitely. I'm not sure about that. This is a polite, soft way to disagree. It's much better than saying, you are wrong. Not really, actually. A gentle way to correct someone or say, no. Sort of. Yeah. This means partially or kind of. You agree a little bit, but not completely. Could be, I guess. This shows uncertainty. It means maybe, but I'm not convinced. I suppose so. This is a reluctant agreement. It means yes, but I'm not happy about it, or I'm not sure. Yes, but there's a problem. This is conditional agreement. You agree, but you have a concern. I couldn't agree more. This is the strongest possible way to say I agree. It means I agree with you completely. Category 8. Slang and informal talk. These are very casual expressions for friends. Just chill. It's fine. Chill means to relax or calm down. Want to hang out later? To hang out is the most common way to say, spend time together casually. Let's grab coffee. To grab implies getting something quickly or casually. Let's catch up soon. To catch up means to talk and exchange news after not seeing each other for a while. I'll hit you up later. Again, slang for, I will contact you. Don't freak out. To freak out means to panic or get very upset, angry. That cracks me up. This means, that is very funny. I messed up. To mess up means to make a mistake. It's a very common way to admit an error. I'll figure it out. To figure out means to solve a problem or understand something. Check this out. This means, look at this. It's used to draw attention to something cool or interesting. The final secret. You've done it. You've gone through 80 phrases that native speakers use every day. And now, for the secret I promised at the beginning. The simple secret about when to use these phrases is this. Match the room. These phrases are powerful, but they are informal. You use them with friends, family, colleagues you know well, and in casual situations like shops and cafes. You generally don't use them in a formal job interview, a legal document, or a very serious meeting. The key to fluency is flexibility. Knowing when to be formal, textbook English, and when to be natural, real English. So my challenge to you is this. Pick 5 phrases from today that feel fun to you. Maybe it's no way, or I'm beat. Write them down and try to use them in a conversation this week. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.